Hi again. Today I'm going to unbox my two other items that I really like and look forward to use. These two items are eyeshadows. I got them from those large cosmetics and skincare wholesale store, and usually they have tax-free available for the tourists. And so I also get these two for tax-free. But I did not open them until I returned back to my country. Kind of turn it over. I kind of can read this a little bit in Japanese katakana. I guess that's what it is. And it read as Cezanne. So reflect to English spelling Cezanne. Okay, so this is their brand, one of pretty popular brand you can see everywhere. And the other one is also my long-term favorite. I used to buy them when I was younger, before I have kids. Once again, and it's also they just, I believe they recently changed their package. Because sometimes I still see these available in Taiwan, which is where my hometown is. I still see this brand. It's called Majorca, Majolica. Okay, Majolica. This used to be very popular brand, and I guess they have a new package. Okay, so I'm going to open Cezanne first. Okay, I'm going to open Cezanne first. Okay, so excited. Don't we just love to open the packages? Okay. Oh, look at that. I picked this color palette that comes with one glitter and the rest less glittery, because I kind of want the matte look. So I kind of picked the less glittery one. Today I prepared a Q-tip so I can try the color. Okay, so first of all, let me try the lightest color, which is this one. Let's see what color is it. Okay, A color, Lau. Okay, B color, matte. C color, matte. D color, matte. So I guess B, C, and D, they are all matte. A is a glitter. Lame. I wasn't sure what lame is. I guess it's just glitter. Okay, so let's back to the color testing. I'm going to try this from the light to the dark. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of this very light color. It didn't show as much, huh? But I kind of can see from my angle. It's very light, but the color is very beautiful. It kind of covers up my lines on my hand. And the second color is this one. It's a little bit darker. So usually we apply these on the middle of your eyelid. This one is a slightly darker. Wow, these two colors, they blend pretty well. I wasn't sure if you can see. Okay, and the third color would be a little bit darker. Usually we apply on the crease, right? Oh, I guess I already fall in love with these three colors. I feel the color, they show pretty well. And the last one is the glitter. Pretty nice, huh? Okay, so that's for Cezanne. I'm going to open my Majolica. Majorica, okay? This brand used to be super popular. My first impression with this brand was back in, I believe, 2009. That was like 15, I'm sorry. Yes, I believe it's 15 years ago. And I got my first one a few years later with a different package. I'm going to show you, I still have them. But I'm going to open this new one first because I'm about to use it. This is package. It's in paper. A lot of cosmetics are now in paper package. Yeah, a lot of them are in paper package, but still pretty nice. Okay, first of all, let's read the color, if I can read them. Oh, and it also tells you how to apply the colors. The other one, Cezanne did not, but Majorica has the instruction in Japanese, but you can kind of look at the graphics and be able to know what it's trying to say. Okay, so the first one, okay, it's telling you the first color you should apply is, I guess it's just the overall, right? The whole thing, the whole area. You use this one on the upper left. Okay, I'm going to open this color first. Okay, wow, isn't it just so beautiful? But it does not come with a brush though, but still it comes with a cover, so it kind of protected. Not bad. A very nice packaging. 2 glitters. I don't remember I got the one with 2 glitters, but I prefer earthy color, so the color still shows pretty good. The warm color, right? Once again, I'm going to try the colors. I prepare my Q-tips. So I guess the first one, oh, I'm sorry, my apology. The one you put overall color, it should be a very lightest color at this whole area. So you're using number 4. Number 4 is, oh wow, number 4 is this one though. It's very bright. Okay, anyway, I'm going to do, wait, actually no, I'm going to apply this lightest color, okay? It's very similar to this one. It's almost the same. Oh, it's almost the same color. Okay, so the first one, lightest color. Here. I'm going to put it here. Yeah, see this brand Majolica. The reason I love it is because the color shows very well. The color shows very well. Okay, and the second color, which is a little bit heavier, is this. Oh my god, that color is so pretty. Even though it's not matte, but it's not overpower the matte. It's a little bit glittery, but it's not too, how should I say it? It's not too exaggerating. Okay, let's try its glitter. Glitter gold. glitter gold. Okay. Oh my god, that color is so pretty. I wish I had bought two. Huh? Oh, that color is so pretty. Last one. This is very similar to I would say copper gold, or maybe rose gold. I wouldn't be surprised if it shows like really pretty. Yeah, see? It's slightly darker than the gold. This brand was never disappointing me. The color is so pretty. So yeah, highly recommend Majolica. Okay. Majolica and Majorca. This is the brand. I think they are available on Amazon if you want to buy one. I also, as promised, I'm going to show you my old one, Majolica. I brought them back, okay, from my office. I left these in my office, just in case I need them. These two, I bought them in different time, but both of them have some age. I got them a while ago. So these are the older packages. They're still nice. And the colors are pretty, so pretty. Sorry, it's a little bit messy. You can almost see the color. But this one is white, supposedly. Because I'm using them a lot, so the color is kind of mixed. See, it's very nice. It's a white color. Can you see? It's a white color. It's very pretty. Okay. And it mixed with the gold and darker gold. I almost used up all the gold. And this green, I rarely use. I do use them, but not as frequent. I don't know how to apply green. But I know the color is not too popped out. The color is very blending. They blend to other colors. Very neutral. And the last one is also I'm sorry, I need to change my Q-tip. Last one is this brown one. See, all the colors shows very nice. The color is very pretty. Huh? Very nice. Okay, I'm going to do my last one, which is also I believe this is my second one. This one, I bought this one, the second one, and this one was my first one. Second one. I apologize. My goal is already, I finished all the goal. And I really like this color. It does not say what color is it, but I'm going to show you. This color. I use a lot, this color. Here, I can find a space here. Here. It's very hard to describe this color. It has a little bit silver tone, a little bit brownish, silverish tone. It's very this color is very easy to mix with other colors, so I really like that. And this one is brown. I have a lot of brown. And this one is lighter. It's like a skin tone, pinkish a little bit. It's really nice. The color, all the colors shows very well. And the last one is this brownish color. I didn't use this much because I have other color palettes I'm using for the darker color. I'll try to use this color more. It's a little bit darker. It's brown. Yeah, so that's it for today. That's it for today. How do you like this brand? Which one is your favorite color? I probably will try to buy Majolica again. If I enjoy this palette, I probably will try to buy it from Amazon. Okay. See you next time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.